Hey, Justin from Goldpenguin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate a page or page template in Oxygen Builder. Oxygen Builder is a WordPress page builder. I'm assuming if you're watching this, you are building a website on it, and you want a really easy way to do this, so let's hop right into it. So this is our contact page that we have on our website, and so we'll just be duplicating this in Oxygen. So the way you do this is go to add a new page to your website, and so let's call this contact duplicate. I am going to make it a private page real quick, just so it doesn't get indexed. And then what we're going to do is take this contact page and edit the actual page so it'll open up in the WordPress editor. We're not going to go into the Oxygen editor. We're just going to keep it in here. And if you scroll down to the Edit with Oxygen tab, you can see there is shortcodes and JSON. So if we click on shortcodes, we could see it's read-only. This is like what it used to be formatted in. And as of a few weeks, maybe a month or two ago, Oxygen added an update where JSON will be how these pages are made. So you can go ahead and open that up, and you can click this and copy it, and go and head over to your new page, open the JSON tab, and paste it. And once we do that, let's update this page, and we will view the new page. And just like that, your page has been duplicated. So the same thing works for templates if you're trying to change anything, but just note that if you do use any plugin like ACF, Advanced Custom Fields, you will have to go and change that stuff manually. So what this will do is just kind of duplicate all the blocks that you have on the page, but not any custom data that gets pulled in or out of your pages. But yep, that's pretty much it. Works the same way with templates, super easy. You don't need any plugins, and you can get it done within 15 seconds. So if this helped, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.